All right, so let's do a Bitcoin analysis for 28th of July 2021. We are right here. Okay, we start with higher time frames. So first we are going to monthly and we see what do we have. All right, well, we have here a top level. Let me put a yep. I'm putting the levels approximately just because as long as the price is not right there, it doesn't quite matter if it's $10 above or below. But when the price is there, I'm going to make sure that the levels are better defined. Okay, so we have here another monthly level and here also another one. I'm usually putting the levels from the point they were respected in the path. For example, this is a level because it was respected since here. Right, here is another level, but it doesn't matter, the price is around here, so I'm just going to ignore the other monthly levels. All right, we're going to weekly. As you can see, we are nowhere around the monthly levels for now, but we are around the weekly level. All right, I have templates that make it easy for me to see what is what. Okay, so this is a weekly level. This is another weekly level. What else do we have? We have here one and here one. I'm putting this one and that's it. Okay. Higher time frames. Okay, so here are the higher time frames, horizontal support and resistance zones. I have one more here and that's about it. Template weekly. Okay, since these two are around the price level, I'm going to make sure that they are set at exactly that the exact price they were at, so 38,150. Okay, monthly. Okay, and the monthly one, and these are the weekly ones. Okay, let me check this one. This is 35,796. Oh, I can see from 39,020. I was on the wrong candle. Okay, so these are the levels. What else do we have? The price goes up to here, it bounces here, goes up to here, it bounces here, up to here. We don't care about this one for now. Okay, it goes bottom up to here. We don't. I'm going to choose the closer level for this. If it was a monthly, I'm not sure, but for now I'm going to put it on the weekly, and the close 34,655. Okay, so it bounces here, goes there, bounces from here to here, here is also a level, but it's way below the price. Okay, there, it's okay. I can also remove these and these just to make my chart cleaner, and if the price arrives here or here, I'm just going to rechart, but for now this is alright. Okay, let's see the daily levels. So we have here a zone. While I'm doing higher time frames, I'm usually putting lines, but sometimes I'm putting zones on daily level, or at least on levels closer to the price. Let's see, what's this one? 40,516. And what else do we have? We have here one, and it's from here. $39,246. Okay, and we have here one. Let's say it's from there. Okay, so these are the levels that are relevant to the price. Good. I'm going to play a bit with volume profile, so just to see what's happening, I'm putting it from here to here just to get general idea. Okay, I'm not interested in that. Let's put it from here to here. Okay, the price is way above, I'm not interested in that. Let's put it from the last swing. Okay, it's way low. Before the drop, it's the monthly support and resistance. Nice confluence. Alright, so I have this one is the monthly support resistance and the point of control for, we can say it's a global point of control for now. Alright, I'm going to put it also from here. Yep, same confluence. And I am putting it on once it dropped, it's under the weekly support resistance, so it doesn't matter for now. And I'm also checking this one, which is our ranging channel. Okay, it's way below, it doesn't matter. Alright, one more thing that I need to do is to take all of these and put them in a folder, HTF. I should also take a screenshot of this one. This is the HTF. All right. Let's see if we have. I'm going to hide the higher time frame and concentrate on the volume point of control. So we have this as a level. Oh, this one is. Putting it from here. I'm putting it as a global. It can be also local. These are just names. Also the value area high. For me, global now means since the drop, but it's relative to the person judging it. Okay, so this value area high, it's important, and we see it has a kind of a confluence with the weekly support resistance. All right, that could be a bounce. What else? I don't think there's anything else. Let me check just this channel. I should yeah, okay. Most trades are happening here and here, which is normal. I am not counting that. Let's see the session volume. Session volume, it's a bit on a lower time frame, but I'm checking for naked points of control. Let me add the other one. Extending to the right, okay. We have here and here a naked point of control. I'm adding this one. As a local VPOC and also naked point of control. Okay, that's the closest one. I don't care about this one. It's already near the global VPOC, so I will check it later if it matters. That's all regarding the volume. Alright, now I'm going to check for channels, and I'm putting this in a group. Volume profile, okay, and hiding it. Channels. We are in a parallel channel, the normal parallel channel. Let's see how it looks. I will use Fibonacci for now, the Fib channel, just because I want to see how it looks like. Okay. I'm trying to get as many touching points as possible with but only trying to get the wicks. But it's an area, so it doesn't quite matter. All right, so this would be the channel that we are in at, but we are at the top of the channel and building a bit around it. As you can see, the Fib channel, it's kind of respected, working the golden circle. Okay, yeah, all right, I'm going to leave this on, and this is the channel that currently we're in. I don't see anything else in particular. Okay. Now let's check the global Fibonacci's. So I'm going to point it from here, from the lower time frame up to here, the high, and on retracement. Let's see, we have some points of confluence, so I'm going to zoom in and make sure it's a bit more up to the task. All right, so we have here a global point, global Fibo retracement, the 0.382, and we have the 0.5 here. What else do we have? I'm also going to take the Fibos from here, and if they hold, and from here. Okay. there also two confluence points, the 0.382. I have two, it's all right, and the 0.5. How do I make the difference between these two? It doesn't matter, it's a confluence point, but I also can check the length. This one started from here, this one started from here. Okay, this doesn't matter that much from my point of view, but I'm still checking it. Okay, we have a CC golden circle GC channel here, but okay, it's still a confluence with a 0.382, so I'm going to leave only that one, but it's okay. I'm not going to add more Fibos at the weekly level. Let's the daily level. Okay, it will have a retracement, but it hasn't stopped yet, so I'm not sure up until when should I put the Fibo. So what I'm going to do is to set a Fibo retracement and leave it there and just move it with the price until the price stops. Maybe on the 4 hours I can see something better. No, but there is another way of doing it. Fib extension, so I'm going it up until here and here, and it's yeah. All right, so this is another option, another way of doing it, or I can do a retracement from the top, but it doesn't matter. This one again, a negative retracement would be another option of doing it and seeing up until where it would fall. But for now, what I'm going to do is only leave the Fib retracement here for confluence. Okay, I could also do Elliott waves, but let's just check let's see, 5, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure for now. I'd rather Elliott waves is like if the price changes in a way, it fits another pattern. If it changes another way, it fits another pattern. Now it's in a channel, so I'd rather not do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will go up, or it's, yeah, it doesn't matter for now. Okay, I will just enable this and take another screenshot of these levels right here. All right, so this is the first part. What I did, well, if we leave everything open, it's quite a lot, but we will filter everything and just check when the price is near a certain area. Or for example, if we are trading the 1 hour, we're here, we can add everything and we see confluence points and the daily, the weekly, so probably it could bounce on the weekly. We have also a global point of control, so a naked point of control, so this one could also be touched. So for example, if we are long biased, we could wait until it hits one of these levels or even DCA and just take a long there. Alright, this is the first part, and I'm going to record the second part right about now. Alright, let's continue with part 2. So in part 1 we did the higher time frame, volume profile, channels and Fibo. And now it's time to do the EMMAs, the whole numbers and the patterns. Maybe we'll have time to do the divergences and the order book. Let's see. Okay, so we are on daily. I'm going to add an indicator. Let's add the 3 MA forecast. We are putting it on EMMAs, and I'm using 13, 21 and 89 for daily and for 4 hours. And what do I see here? We have first I'm going to show you the style. So the short EMMA is orange, the mid is violet and the long is blue. The longer one is blue. So orange is 13, 21 is mid and 89 is blue. Violet is 21. So the shorter EMMA is surpassing the medium EMMA. This is 13 is surpassing 21 here. It's a bullish sign. They didn't hit yet the other one, the 89 EMMA. Let's see. I have like prognosis for it and a forecast, and I am curious if I'm going to change this for the linear progression in the history. No. I was wondering if I would use more candles if it was different, but no. So theoretically it may be able to hit around here. I'm going to circle this area as an area of interest because here the EMMAs may be all a bit more bullish. Actually, when the EMMAs intersect, they are lagging, so the price would be maybe around 42,000. For now I'm going to leave this just the ellipse here, and my idea for this one is that I will check the EMMAs when I arrive around this time frame. Actually I will already know that it's a sign if it's bullish or bearish. So this would be the EMMA. Okay, let's now go to the whole numbers. So price reacts to whole numbers. What I can do is, you can see them on the right point, but another way of doing this is just plotting the lines. I will plot the lines. Why? Because 40,000, and I am actually putting a stronger line at 40,000 because it's a very important line. Putting it like this. Number 40,000. The price already here and it's reacting. And I'm also plotting 41,000 and 39,000 for now. The idea is that you can plot the whole numbers so that it's easier to see them when the price hits them. Okay, this is where the price stands, and what we can do with this information is we can expect bounces off of this, and basically price reacting in a certain way. We are not sure in which way. For this we need to finish our analysis. Okay, so these are the whole numbers, very important numbers, especially the 40,000. Going to hide them. Actually, I'm going to show them just to take a screenshot. And I'm also going to show the EMMA, the EMMA and the point forecasted for another screenshot. now I'm going to look for patterns. Let's see if we can find some patterns. I'm going to switch to 4 hours for this. The amounts are already bullish on the 4 hours, so this is another interesting thing. So we are very bullish, and we see we have an uptrend here and the channel. Let's I'm going to put the fib channel, but maybe it, I don't know if I can also just put a normal channel here. Still, I'm moving these two channels because I just noticed it on the lower time frame. We also have I'm going to use the normal channel for now. On lower time frames, there is no particular reason to use the normal over fib, except because you can check if the fib is respected and use the channel only if it is respected. Okay, this is also a channel. I'm checking for confluence, but now I'm going to use the normal channel here also. Okay, so we have two other channels. What else do we have? We see big volume on this spike. No particular patterns. Let's check the 1 hour. Cup and handle. Let's see, big drop of volume, low volume while it's on the lower part. Actually, it's here. I don't like this volume, but yeah, it's okay. It's a cup and handle. I can do like this, and or I can use an interesting indicator. CNH, I'm not sure. Rounded bottom. It's from Lonesome Blue. Lonesome the Dude. I don't know. Cup finder. Okay. So let me hide the brush. Number of bars. Okay, I'm not playing with indicators for now, it's just an analysis. So we can see that at least it's a rounded bottom for sure. So this is also bullish pattern. What else? Well, we don't have a complex head and shoulders because of the volume, but it would have been interesting to see one. And also because of the entry point. Falling channel or sloping channel actually. Okay, so these are the patterns. I don't see anything interesting there. Yeah, okay, I'm going to take a screenshot of this, but that's it. Okay, let's see divergences on the 4 hours. I'm going to add stochastic, RSI, RSI. I'm going to exit this EMA and OBV. Let's see. So price was in a downtrend up until here. Stochastic is not for now, it's for lower time frames for me. Okay, so let's see. Here there is a downtrend and the indicator shows it's already a divergence. Yes, we have a bullish divergence here, kind of, up until, yeah, it's still a bullish divergence. Yes, price is down, going down. Also the OBV confirms it. So yeah, we had the bullish divergence. So here there was the point to long. Okay, here we have an uptrend. On this part the price goes up. Here we have a small divergence, but then the price goes up, so there is no divergence, no divergence, no divergence. Let's see here, if you're looking, if we zoom out, it's sideways, it's still sideways, so no opinion there. Just checking how it looks. Oh boy, yeah, the RSI is just to the top. Okay, and just for kicks I'm going to 1 hour to see what's happening. So it's an uptrend. But we have an RSI. Oh, it's an uptrend, so sorry for that. It's an uptrend going like this, and we have the RSI going top, OBV going up, 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 and away. So here it's the price is losing momentum, which is normal. So even though we have the cup and handle here also, funny, we have here the cup and handle, and that's a bullish sign. Here the price loses momentum because it goes up exponentially, goes back, goes up, but it stops here. So here is also a point of interest, as it's not going with the same force. I would wait a bit, and it may go sideways or bottom here on the lower time frame. Okay, so this is about divergences. I'm going to do it like this, and this for me represents that the price didn't surpass this high, and I know why. If we look to the higher time frames, no, not to the higher time frames, to the whole numbers, it's because of the 40,000. The price is fighting here a lot. Okay, so this is about divergences. I'm going to take the screenshot. And that's it for trading view. I would normally go to the order book now, to Exo charts, and continue the analysis. So this is, let's say, a pattern. Patterns. Okay, and these trend lines are divergences. But I can save them, but it won't matter, because I'm going to remove the indicators after. I like a clean chart. Okay. Let's see now the big picture. We are going on the 4 hours, and we are enabling everything one by one. So higher time frames. I'm going to the big picture, but still checking the current price. So we are fighting the 40,000. We are between a daily and a weekly support and resistance. Okay, then volume profile doesn't tell us anything. We have a value area high here, and we are outside, so now we are negotiating for fair price. If we fail this level, we may go back to the naked point of control and touch it, probably bounce out of it. So there is a possibility of doing this. Also because of the whole numbers, because it's 40,000, it's a very powerful level. That's quite an interesting direction. Okay. Then that's it with volume profile. Channels. There is theoretically a short opportunity because we are at the upper part of the channel, so there is this option depending on the order book. We could go up until here, but most of the profits I'd take here with with a bit of the profits taken here, just without any HDF levels. Still it makes sense. Okay, so that's another way of doing it. So again, we have a bounce, and we also have a short. This is confluence to trade ideas because of two different reasons, going for short. For how much would this be? 40%, for 40%. Okay, let's see the Fibos. Fibo retracement up until here. Let me see the short idea. Okay, and the take profit line, I would go with the take profit here. And yes, I would DCA, so I would also take another entry here, one entry here, one entry here, and I would sell in 3 steps, maybe just showing ideas. Okay, EMAs may intersect here, and from there it may be very bullish. Okay, EMAs are also against the idea of a short. I'm going to remove the details of the short. So EMAs are against that because they were bullish on the 1 hour. On the 4 hours, the smaller and medium EMA was bullish. Whole numbers, yep, we are bouncing up on a powerful number. Patterns cup and handle is bullish. Divergences, we have we don't have a higher time frame divergence, but still price is losing momentum. We don't know if it will consolidate or if it will go down to another level and bounce out of it. So from my point of view, a potential short would be it's all right. I mean, we have reasons for a potential short here. And also if we consolidate, then we can reevaluate and see if we want to exit the short without taking losses or keep it. So yeah, I'm short for the following few days at least. That's about it. Enjoy part 2 of the series. Alright, and here is the final public part of the analysis. I'm not going into Excel charts right now. I'm just using Trading Light, and I am using Trading Light to check for levels of support and resistance based on order book. We have 258 bitcoins at this level, 38 2072, 38 2072. $38 2072. Okay, and how many? 2057. Okay, and we have 2026. Around this level. And one more. 2051. At around 41,000. Up until there. Okay, so this is also important. It's trading light. Good to take profit while there are BTCs before this added wall, let's say. And that's, well, I'm going to just open my short position and check for the, no, I didn't take it, I'm just plotting it. Okay, for example, I may drag this up until here just to make sure that I don't enter, I take profit before this wall. So this would be it. Risk reward 3.7. I haven't put a stop loss, so it's just an example of a trade. All right, that's it with the analysis. Have a great day.